What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where two more Alfa Romeo Tonale prototypes have been spotted with less camouflage than before in Sweden, and we have some new wheels I don't think we've seen yet on a Tonale. Now, Alfa Romeo has confirmed an official presentation for the Tonale that will take place on February 8th of 2022, a little less than 2 weeks away, and it will be the second SUV developed by the Spied and one of the main innovations expected from the wide range of Stellantis. Furthermore, the Tonale will inaugurate a new chapter in the history of their Aussie brand. Now, the latest sightings confirm the Alfa Romeo is about to complete the development of the SUV, and these photos are from Auto Evolution, so I will link their full description and article down in the description below. Now, with that said, the two camouflage prototypes are spotted in north of Sweden. Now, one of them shows practically the entire front with the aggressive look with full LED headlights in a way that this design is reminiscent of the SZ and RZ. And furthermore, you can see the usual Alfa Romeo grille with the logo positioned in the center at the top and a bumper with a large air intake characterized by a honeycomb pattern and black coating. Now, as for the rear, only two of the three prototypes spotted had the production headlights. The spy photos also give us a look inside the passenger compartment where it is possible to see the digital instrument panel and a touchscreen display positioned in the center of the center console to take advantage of the Uconnect 5 infotainment system. Now, keep in mind we get these very basic 5-spoke aluminum wheels with regular brake calipers and regular rotors. Now, following the official presentation for the Alfa Romeo Tonale, it will go into production at the Pomigliano d'Arco plant in March, while it will arrive in Alfa Romeo dealerships as early as June 4th, 2022. Now, judging by the latest rumors leaked on the internet, the Milanese car manufacturer will offer several versions with gas, diesel, and plug-in hybrid powertrains, all with an 8-speed automatic transmission that will be available from launch. Now, Alfa Romeo CEO Jean-Philippe Imparato recently delayed the launch of the Alfa Romeo Tonale to improve the performance of the plug-in hybrid system. Now, this model will in fact be the first of the technology in a long run of history for the Spied, and it should be based on a 1.3-liter 4-cylinder turbo with plug-in hybrid technology for a total output of around 240 horsepower. Now, a mild hybrid version and one with a turbo diesel is dedicated mainly to the European market that is also planned. And we know that Stellantis has a small wide platform that will be used at the base, shared with several vehicles of the group, such as the Jeep Renegade, Compass, and new Commander, and also the Fiat 500L and 500X. However, it will be particularly an important model for the company as it will aim to revive it, given that at the moment the range only consists of the Giulia and Stelvio. So with that said, more spy photos, new wheels, look at that infotainment, look at the front end. I mean, we're getting more and more of the Tonale, and we don't have to wait long to see the full reveal. So I'm excited, guys. Just wanted to show these off to you guys and wanted to see what you thought. So leave your comments down below. As you see more, are you getting more excited about the Alfa Romeo Tonale SUV? Let me know down in the comments. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up the rankings. More people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on these new Alfa Romeo Tonale spy shots of these prototypes in Sweden. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate the love and support. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch in case you want hoodies, long sleeve shirts, stickers, Kango hats, everything Ron's Rides. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. It's everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.